How to install motorized 1-foot blinds. Preparing to install. Installation steps. First, measure the mounting position of the fixing brackets. It recommended 4 inches from window frames or walls on both sides. 2 inches from window. Drill holes and insert screw bolts at marked locations. Secure the mounting bracket with screws. Do the same on the other side. Hang the battery hooks on the top rail of the blinds. Be careful that the hook can't hang on the rope winder. Adjust the battery charging port towards the ground for easy charging. Then put the battery into the hooks. Hang blind by snap it into the mounting brackets. Connect the motor and battery cables. Organize the cord and hide it behind the blinds. Press and hold the down button until the blinds begin to run. The blinds will run down. You can stop the blinds at any time by press the stop button. You can adjust the slats by clicking the up or down buttons to freely adjust the light. Press and hold the up button until the blinds begin to run, and the blinds will run up. Start enjoying relaxing light adjustments.